Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to replace my engine oil, aka motor oil. I have done, let's see, 552 miles. So this is my first time doing it. Let's see how it goes. So I have bought, let me tell you what things and what tools you need. You need a 17 mm socket set, a filter removal tool. I have gone with Kawasaki's recommended engine oil, which is KPO full synthetic 10W40 SAE certified. I've gone with the standard Kawasaki OEM oil filter and the drain plug gasket. So it is very important that each time you open or you replace your oil, this washer needs to be replaced because this is a crush washer. Alrighty, we are all set. So I do not have a oil pan. I'm gonna use this baking tray instead, but you guys can get that oil pan from Home Depot or Amazon.com or even O'Reilly's. So it'll do the job just fine. I'm gonna use this for now. Also, it is recommended that you start your bike for at least 5 minutes so that the oil heats up, which will make it easier to drain. Alrighty, let's see. So let's open this. There we go. It is open. Make sure you do not drop the nut, excuse me. There we go. Oil is pouring out. I think I have dropped the washer, which is okay. I could use it afterwards. Let it drain all the way. Next up, we will be removing the oil filter. Let me clean this up. So I'm gonna reposition the oil pan. I think I'm gonna remove this cover. It'll make it easier for me to remove the oil filter. Let's go ahead and remove this. Okay. There we go. Luckily, the wrench worked. As you can see, the window is almost empty. There is no oil left in the motor. I'm gonna open this cap just in case. Oh. Meanwhile, we can fill up the oil filter halfway, just enough so that when you slide it like this, it doesn't drop. So I would say like half. It's also recommended that you put some oil around the gaskets, so when you are tightening it, the gasket would not break. Sometimes you would find, I mean, especially if you're doing your first break-in service, your first oil change, you might find some metal shavings in your oil, which is perfectly fine. This is the normal break-in process. The piston will score the sleeves, the cylinders, and so that it can move freely up and down, which is the way it should be. Let's clean it up. While it's dripping, we can prep the oil. So we are putting in 3.8 liters. Whoops. Make sure your keef is all clean. I'm gonna bring all the things I need over here. Oh well, it's still going. It's still going. Okay, it is almost up. Now I'm gonna put back the plug. So we're gonna use a strap wrench afterwards, after we're all done, to tighten it all up. Get this out of the way. Get our strap wrench. So according to the manual, the oil filter needs to be tightened That's it. I'm not gonna tighten it anymore. And then we're gonna tighten this. Now we're gonna start pouring oil. Okay, 3.2 liters with oil filter not removed, and 3.6 liters with oil filter removed. So we have 1, 2, 3 liters right here, and the remaining 0.6 liters or 600 milliliters we're gonna do here. So let's start pouring. This one is a liter, 1 quart. Oh, this one is in quarts. .8 quart. Okay. So you want to put it nice and slow so you don't spill it. We are almost at the lower level. I'm gonna keep pouring until we are in between the two lines. We are quarter way down. So now I'm gonna start the motor and then top it off. So you want to make sure that your nut is tight enough and it's not dripping any oil. Alrighty, I think this is long enough. Let the oil circulate. Let's see what's our oil level now. Wait till the oil drops in, and then we'll make sure we are hitting this line. Alrighty, that's how you change your motor oil on your Z900 and pretty much any bike. Alrighty, that's a wrap. I will catch you in the next video. Take care, guys. Take care. Bye bye.